G'day, John with Murray Agricultural Equipment. We're currently fabricating a manual winch folding frame, and I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to go through some of the features, what it's used for, and sort of the price of something like this. So this frame's a folding frame, and instead of using hydraulics, we've got a manual brake winch. So if you let go of the handle, it stays in one place. The wings won't fall. It's got safety lockouts. I think it's a really, really good frame for those that are conscious about their budget. The particular plates that we weld on there are category 1 or category 2. So we've got the larger holes here, all suitable for your 3-point linkage. We can also make them to suit quick hitches. So this is the main frame here. This is for a Series 08 stump jump, 4 sections. So it's 2 sections in the center frame and then 1 on each wing. You fold them up, which I'll show you in just a second, for ease of transport. And then with your 3-point linkage, you can lift them up, travel through in between paddocks. We can build them to suit any Harrow that you have or would like. Series 08 stump jump seems to be very popular, as well as diamond Harrows, and we can put heavier stump jumps. If your soil is clay type or there's a lot of rocks, perhaps you would choose something heavier. So the way that this particular frame works is we've designed it in such a way that it has this corner which then hits this and acts as a stop. That's very important so your wings don't fall onto itself. So your wings will fold up to a certain point there for safety reasons, and we've designed it so we have a hinge point here and the hole then locks into this mechanism here. So that has the purpose of making sure that it's safe. When you're riding around, there's no tension on the wire, it's locked out completely, and you're going along your paddock and there's no movement whatsoever. We're using an Alco brake winch, which is made in Germany. We use heavy wire, goes right around to the pickup points on this wing and then mounted to this wing. So the way that you wind it, one wing will come up first, you lock it out so that's safe, then you keep on winding and that will bring the other wing up, and then you lock that up and then you're ready to go. I've locked out both wings. There's still a little bit of tension on the wire. So what you do is you just unwind it so it's got slack. So the pins are taking the entire weight of your Harrows on each wing. The pins are through here. It's nice and sturdy. You've got this as backup so the wings can't fall into itself. Safety comes first. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to disassemble this unit, put it in the spray booth, put a nice coat of paint on it, and it's going to be delivered directly to the customer. If you're interested in a folding frame, give us a call or visit murrayag.com.au. Cheers.